I was sent the ProLon 5-day fast. I've done the 1-day fast and I actually just started the 5-day. I did day 1 yesterday and I'm going to be completely transparent. About 12:30 p.m. I was starving. I think I was getting enough calories or just my body was not ready to go into a fasting state. So I ended up having the whole thing at the middle of the day, except for the night soup, which I still have left over, and the herbal tea. So I'm not in a complete fasting state right now at all, but I do want to show you what you get with it. So you get the instruction manual. I've done juice fast before, and when you do it, you really have to be in that right mental state because you might get hungry and it's really tempting to want to go get some food. But when you're fasting, it's so important not to break the fast. So don't do as I do. So here's day 2. I'm going to show you what you get. I also started with the drink. So this is the L drink, and this is really interesting. So on the side, it has different weights. So I'm 133 pounds right now. So you pour your weight amount from top down to bottom into a giant water bottle, probably one a little bigger than this actually, because once you pour it in, you add 28 ounces of water. So I did pour about 25 ounces, took a big gulp, and then I added the rest of the water. And then you sip this throughout the day. It's orange flavor, but it's super, super light flavored. Like I barely taste anything. And if you want, you can actually add the tea bags to the water to like infuse it. So there's different teas here. There's the hibiscus as well, and that's the one they really recommend. So add this to it if you want to sip it throughout the day. You can have unlimited tea, unlimited water, but no soda. And if you do need coffee, you can have black coffee, but that is it. So these are your hydration options. And then during day 2, you're going to be in the fat burning and ketogenesis phase. And that includes 2 of the soups. I did make a soup for you to see what the consistency looks like. Super easy to make. You just pour it in a bowl, add water, mix. I actually recommend using one of the little hand blenders to mix it up, and then you microwave it, or you can use a stovetop. These are the fasting bars. It has a nice coconut taste to it, and it is nut based. So if you have allergies, this would not be good for you. That's the consistency of it. So they're really soft. So not a hard crunchy bar, just like a nice soft, big chunks of pecan. I think the bars are good. Honey, almonds, a little bit of a sea salt flavor. Really, really easy to eat, not overly sweet. And then you also get green olives, which unfortunately I despise olives. So if you love olives, you're in luck. Okay, and then you also get the NR1. These are supplements. These are vegetable powder with vitamins and minerals. And it tells you each day how many to take. And that's it. You follow the guidelines. The guidelines are so simple. This explains that L drink prep. This tells you what you're having each day. If you have questions, you need help inside, you're also going to have a QR code you can scan. You have more information here. And every day you just open a new box. So by day 4, you're on cellular rejuvenation, cleanup state on day 3, and day 5 is your renewal and change. Okay, I'm going to take my little supplements. So simple. Since I have it out and you might be curious on the taste, this is the Cocoa Crisp bar. This is kind of your nightly dessert. This one is really good. This is what it looks like. Chocolatey, melty if it is a warm day. Delightful. So good ingredients in this, and when you're craving chocolate, this does hit that spot. And then you have your soups for your meals. If you get the 5-day and you mess up, let's say, and you didn't get through all the days, that's okay. You could do it not in a row. I know that's probably not recommended, but I'm just gonna tell you that sometimes you mess up and sometimes you need to space it out. That's okay. But if you can get yourself into the mindset of I'm here to do a 5-day fast, mind over matter, your body is gonna feel so good after doing this. Also, the food is good, except for the olives. I can't do the olives.